Welcome, y'all, to the wild heart of Mother Nature, where the hearth's warmth is earned, not given. Picture this, a solitary figure, silhouetted against the setting sun, chopping wood in the wilderness. That's me, your guide to living off the grid. Now, what's the secret to staying toasty in the great outdoors? Well, it's all in the swing. A firm grip, a steady stance, and a rhythmic motion that's as hypnotic as a slow dance under the stars. Hear that? It's the satisfying thunk of the axe finding its mark, splitting the wood clean in two. Each log a promise of warmth in the icy winter nights. Remember, it's not just about the physical work. It's about the quiet strength, the silent endurance, the raw, primal connection to the earth beneath our feet. It's about surviving, thriving, and finding the seductive rhythm of the wilderness. So come on, join me. Feel the weight of the axe, the grit of the bark, the thrill of the swing. Let's embrace the wild, the cold, the raw power of nature. Let's chop wood in the wilderness and stay warm off the grid. Until next time, y'all.